Hello friends, today we going to see some questions, mechanical seal entry questions we going to see. Okay, first question. What is the function of mechanical seal in centrifugal pump? What is the use there? To prevent the leakage of liquid. What is the function of mechanical seal in centrifugal pump? To prevent the leakage of liquid. Then second question is, which part of mechanical seal in rotate with shaft? Which part of mechanical seal in rotate with shaft? Rotary part or stationary part? Here rotary part. Rotary part is rotate with shaft. Which is better option of 100% sealing in centrifugal pump? Which is better option for 100% sealing in centrifugal pump? There mechanical seal or grand packing? Here mechanical seal. Mechanical seal is the best option of selection. Reason 100% sealing mechanical seal compared to blind packing. Which part make tension in mechanical seal? Which part make tension in mechanical seal? Spring or coil? We call spring or coil. What is a purpose to given seal water in mechanical seal? What is the purpose to given seal within mechanical seal? Cooling the mechanical seal of phases. Lubrication the mechanical seal. The purpose is cooling the mechanical seal phases, lubrication the mechanical seal. Then sixth question is, what are the material used in mechanical seal phases? What are the material used in mechanical seal phases? Carbon, stainless steel, tungsten carbide, silicon carbide, ceramic, lead rods, Na resist, PTFE. These are the material used in mechanical seal phases. Okay. What is a secondary seal in mechanical seal? What is secondary seal in mechanical seal? O-ring is a secondary seal. Primary sealing area is phases, two phases. Secondary sealing area is O-ring. Eighth question is, what is the purpose of grip screw? What is the purpose of grip screw? Locking the mechanical seal in shaft. Locking the mechanical seal in shaft. This is the purpose of grip screw. Which part of mechanical seal fitted in stuffing box? Which part of mechanical seal fit in stuffing box? Stationary part. Stationary part is fit in stuffing box. What is reason to damage O-ring of mechanical seal? What reason to damage the O-ring of mechanical seal? Main reason mechanical seal overheating. Then chemical attack. These two are the main reason of these two are affect the O-ring. Thank you for watching friends. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.